Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're on the same Wi-Fi network as the router. This lets you reach its admin page. Once done, find the router model and admin login. You'll need them to change settings. Make sure to back up the configuration or take a quick screenshot so you can undo changes. Now open a browser and navigate to the router IP. You'll act immediately because changing the wrong setting can disrupt connectivity, so move with purpose. You now access the wireless security panel. This is where the privacy warning usually stems from. Change encryption from weak options like WEP or Open to WPA2 PSK or WPA3 if the router and devices support it, because stronger encryption prevents eavesdropping. Disable WPS to avoid brute force risks, and hide or limit the guest network if it broadcasts insecurely. Once done, save and apply. You finish by reconnecting your devices. Forget the network and join again so they pick up the new security type and password. Make sure each device supports the chosen encryption. Older hardware might need WPA2 instead of WPA3, so adjust accordingly. If a device fails to connect, reboot it and recheck its network adapter settings. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, reset the router to factory defaults and repeat these steps carefully. Then restore only the backed up settings you trust.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.